here's the problem. We have AOS library over here, and for some reason when you work with Angular, it stops working. So let's reload, and we expect here to have a text here. It's actually here. You can see that my cursor changes to this icon that prompts to select a text. And if you open DevTool, you'll definitely see this text, but it doesn't show up. And this thing actually happens only with Angular. When you use this AOS library in only HTML, CSS, it works fine. So here's the problem. And if you close the DevTools, of course it will appear. Here I imported AOS. Here is the CSS AOS. Here is the property that dictates the behavior of AOS. Again, disappeared after reload. Opening appears, closing still there. Reload is done. I found out the solution. Basically, AOS cannot work when our page is not fully loaded. So we have to put if statement and tell when the page is fully loaded, start AOS initialization. Shout out to Big Pecky for this debrief from GitHub issue thread. He found out about this behavior. Observe closely what were happening. Back then, this part was not displayed, but this was displayed as well as this. I didn't scroll down to this point, but basically that's what was happening. And that means that this got executed because this is written later than this. And by the time it hits to this point, page is fully loaded. This is why it was displayed. And here's the function to fix our problem.